Okay, now that we have found the equation of the first branch of our piecewise function, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to find the second equation. And I'm going to use, a couple of simple, very simple equations. I'm going to use a couple of simple equations to find it. So equation number 2, this one is my equation number 2. So find the equation of branch number 2. Okay, I'm going to read from the graph a couple of things. I know that the y-intercept is equal to 0. Can you read it? It's right here. I know the y-intercept is equal to 0, isn't it?
Yes.
Because I can read it from the graph. It's 0, 0. So I know the y-intercept is 0. Oh, but then if I know that my equation is y equals mx plus b, then I know that I will say this is 0 immediately, right? Oh, so I end up having y equals to m times x. And do you remember how to calculate the slope of the line, which is m? M is simply the difference in between my y-axis and my x-axis. The difference between the y and the x. How do I calculate such thing? Remember, it's y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And I know one of the points is 0, 0. I can read it from the graph, right? And what's this other point? I can read it as a 2, comma 2. Can I? Do you see it, people? 2, comma 2 and 0, 0. All right, so I know that my this is my x sub 1, y sub 1, and this is my x sub 2, y sub 2. I'm not teaching you anything new, right? This is something that you already know. Okay, so let me plug in now everything here into my formula. Y sub 2 is a 2 minus 0 divided by 2 minus 0. So that end up having 2 divided by 2. 2 minus 0 is a 2. 2 minus 0 is also a 2. 2 divided by 2 is a positive 1. Oh, so simple. So my equation for branch number 2, I'm going to write it again. Y equals mx plus b, where b is 0. M is equal to 1. Then my equation will be y equals x. What do I need to write down here? Simple. I'm going to write down x, and that'll be my branch number 2. Branch number 2 becomes x. My first branch is 1 because of the horizontal line. And last but not least, you will need to calculate the equation of branch number 3, and that'll be the end of this work. Any questions so far? Questions?
This is recording, right, mister?
It has been recorded, yes. It has been recorded, and it's going to be uploaded to the platform as soon as we're finished, or as soon as the program, it takes some time for the program to upload the video and then make it available.